Hello YouTube, today I'm showing you how to make a dry erase whiteboard so you could do stuff. So the things you will need is a piece of sheet of paper and then like scotch tape or this kind of big tape, and then a dry erase marker or a washable marker, and scissors. So first you get the tape. See this kind of tape? You could use this one because it's more easier. So I'm trying to peel it. So wait, which way is it going? Okay, got it. Okay, now get a sheet of paper. Now you get this, and then put it right there, and then place it down. Then now get the scissors, and then now cut it. Gosh, got some paper. I cut the paper accidentally. Put this down there so you guys could see. And then you guys could see that if I draw on the tape, and then I could use my finger erase it. And then if it doesn't come off, you could just put water and then it will erase fast. It'll be gone. But you could use your finger and then it'll be smudged all around. But you could just keep on doing it and then pull it down, and then it could disappear. So let me fill up the whole thing. So let's get that right there. Then put this right there. Okay, now hold it, cut it, then put it. You make sure to cover all of the paper, not the back but just the front, because if you don't cover all of the white paper, you might write on the paper and then you can't undo it, can't erase it. So yeah, keep on cutting the paper. Okay, now I'm just going to do this. Just keep on taping it. Keep on taping it. Oops. I keep on cutting the paper, but this is it. I'm not going to cover the whole entire paper, but yeah, I could draw on it, say hi. Then you could just erase it. And then bye. Okay, so thank you for watching. And make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And tell me in the comments if it's really good. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.